In this video, I'll show you how to convert an image into an AutoCAD drawing file using a simple online conversion method. If you have a logo, sketch, or simple line drawing, you can convert it into a DXF file that AutoCAD can open and edit. Start by opening your web browser and visiting an online image to DXF converter such as Convert.io. Upload your JPG, PNG, or other supported image file, then choose DXF as the output format. Click the Convert button and wait for the process to finish. Once the conversion is complete, download the DXF file to your computer. Next, open AutoCAD, click Open, and select the downloaded DXF file. Your converted drawing will appear in AutoCAD, where you can edit lines, modify geometry, or add additional details as needed. For the best results, use high-quality or vector-style images because simple graphics usually produce cleaner conversions than detailed photographs. That's how easy it is to convert an image into an AutoCAD drawing file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.